Hi, I'm Mahtab. You are watching Best Belly Dance Workout. In this video I will give you my tips what you can do to feel better during a long flight. First of all, breathe easily. Inhale with nose and exhale with mouth. And now bring your head slowly to the one side, up, and now to the opposite side and up. Now 5 circles with the shoulders as big as you can to the back, both shoulders together. One more. And now take your hands together and bring them up, straight back and slowly down. Now take your one knee and bring the whole leg up. Just bring it to your chest. And now your toes down, up, down, up, down, up, slowly down, and second leg. Knee to the chest. Keep it in this position, breathe easily. And now toes up, down, up, down, up, down, and slowly leg down. Now only the toes on the floor and heels up, down, and now toes up and heels on the floor. And one foot, toes and heel, toes and heel, toes, heel, and second foot, toes, heel, breathe easily, toes, heel, keep your back straight, toes, and heel. You can also do a small jumps on your toes. And now some circles with the foot. And to the opposite side. And second one, 5 circles. And opposite side. And also you can do some circles with your wrists and change the direction. And remember to repeat these exercises each hour of your flight, so you will feel much better after sitting for so many hours. Thank you, and see you in the next videos on Best Belly Dance Workout YouTube channel. Bye, and have a nice flight!